G'day, I'm Lockie from LAHillAdventures, and this is episode 2 of the Patrol project, where we convert our patrol into a touring vehicle to travel Australia late 2022. So today we're going to be focusing on LED lights. Last episode we did this barn door table, which is absolute success. We've used it a couple times now, and to cook on it's great. So nice and sturdy, looks good, nice finish, doesn't rattle around or anything. Now we've got some lights from Steady, so we've got headlights, so that's just high and low beam headlights. Got a headlight restorer kit because they're looking a bit shoddy at the moment, so I thought we'd give them a bit of a clean and shine them up. This is a rock light. We're going to put it right here, so at night time I've got a bit of a light for the reversing camera. And then these are the mismatch of lights that we've got. So we've got internal lights and blinker lights, stop lights, tail lights, all of the above. Anyway, let's get into it. Right, so it's been a number of days because we weren't able to get the airbox off, but we've just gotten it off, so we took the spare battery out, and then now we've just taking the airbox out. Now we've got great access to this headlight, so it'll be nice and easy to change. Just a case of pulling this switch out. There we go. Alright, so now we can access the back nice and easy. Just got a spring clip, and then we can take the globe out. Now it's good to have spare globes, so just in case for whatever reason our LED globes go or whatever happens, it smashes and we got to replace them, then we'll keep these, and we'll keep them in the same box as we're taking out the LED globes. So, alright, so got this is the LED light, the H4. So this is heat shielding. So when you stick it in, this will just splay out and it won't let the metal and the globe heat up. And then it's just straight into your old standard socket. So nice and easy, and it's got this little converter. 24 volts, so we're just gonna mount it up somewhere. This pack comes with sticky pads, it's nice and easy to mount. Getting this in is the fun bit. With lots of room, it should be pretty easy.
You talked about it needs to be sealed and have a clean side, which is the inside.
It's not started again. Oh, it's up. So much easier with so much space. Should have done this one first. Right, now we sort of free these out a bit as much as we can. Not a massive deal if they're not flayed out completely. And then it's just a matter of grabbing your loom, plugging it in to the original plug. That's it.
You can't tell me the deck is stacked. You can whisper behind my back. You can show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie 'em to the ground. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at and turn it back around. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me. All the blood, sweat, and sacrifice. Oh, I paid the dearest price. And no shortcuts here for destiny. I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn to light in the fuse that it burned. But my time is rising, and you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie 'em to the ground. Can't stop me now.
Alright, so I've left Amelia in charge of cleaning up the headlights. She's just polishing them off, and I think that looks so much better already. So that should be a lot brighter. Keen as. So once we're finished with polishing off the lights, we will go and test them out and have a before and after. So yeah, but she's looking pretty mean at the moment.
You know what's coming, so be warned.
So I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it on the camera, but this is the last stage, and so this light is finished, and this light has one more stage to go, and hopefully you can see the difference there. The one she's cleaning at the moment is really quite cloudy and almost a bit yellow, and this is just so clean and clear.
Where I'm going, I will turn